Unique.
Life is a journey, every day ni lendeleni. Nibasiya nifale nomola ningakona wakona. Just believe in myself, munokholwa ikubona. Moyo wa mina ukhumbi hasi, I stay high like a stoner. And then famba nesha, don't look back, I'm alone. My grandfather's name, sending light on my gaze. I'm just tryna do my best and humesa family masham. Ntsako na rirhandzu ximo xivuyela vutshan'wini. My little brother, he said far, I know he can't stop at nothing. I'm just tryna meet my grandma milorwena ku swilungi. I'ma get it on my own, and na ha tirhi munhu xilungu. I got sisters, I got nephews, now my heart is not the same. Every day na tatambela, at the bottom can't remain. Never aim for the stars, I go beyond and see the maker. How my life in no dimensions, I'm the highest with no baker. I'm just tryna close my mouth, I made a promise to my mama, meditate up in my theater, I can't believe what I saw. Life is sweet and munyungel na care. If she give me deep connection, this ring finger na mirror. My energy crystallizing, hanya soft kumera. I'm clearing my vision, I don't pray, I listen. Free myself of the religion, to me that's the biggest prison. I need love, yourself, confidence, I just want perception. Say my truth, no misconception. I seen so much deception. I need love in next life, I'm working on my liberation. I love all my exes, can't put none of them in shame. I just never met a girl who really put my life in game. To identify with a body parts but still missing a brain. I can't stay at the bottom, the gogo on mom. I'm the best on them bongonia. I'm just gonna be forever, but I mean don't get it too. Meditate and stay connected, I'm a G.O.D. Live up to my name in Billy Ton of Lombe, call me B. Can't be wild by tomorrow, now my vision getting clear. I've been drunk without beer, facing life with no fear. Can't be wild by myself, I will shake through the pain. I just wanna believe for my people, yeah. Can't be wild by my kids, they will find their own way. I just wanna take my queen to the spirit world, yeah. Let's go. That's your boy BeeMoney, that's a freestyle. EP coming soon, stay tuned. The best we ever do.